Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to do challenge 5 today. So the challenge 5 is, stay tuned till the end to see the answer to challenge 4. So alright, problem with Yahoo News. So the problem is each time you scrape, it only returns 25 headlines. I think it's 25 or 24. But there are many more headlines. So the challenge 5 is how in the world can we scrape, get all the headlines, and maybe be aware of any duplicates. So there we go. That's the challenge for the day. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos. Now we've kind of moved into challenges and problem solving, real world problems. Here are 2, and then haven't really decided on what 6, 7, and 8 are going to be. So all right, that's challenge 5. Now let's hear. Now here is the answer to challenge 4. So challenge 4 was real world problem. You are getting responses back, and you can only do a certain number of queries to the website, and then you need to package that, set that aside, do more queries, and then put everything together. And my challenge was for you, how can you do this in an automated fashion where you're not sitting there keying this? And the way that I did it is I used time. So here, let's just look at it. So here's what I did is I got back my response. Then I had my file name, and I imported time. So I was getting the date. I think this is even the day of the week. So then I could arbitrarily just see that. So I already know what days of the week I did it. The date. Then you're going to have a problem right here with the space. Windows hates spaces, so we change it to underscore. Then we pickle it. Then we also then have to handle another issue, doesn't like the colon, went to an underscore, then file, then dump, then close. So there we go. Please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests, because look, all this we've done before. I won't ever have any challenges that we've not had solutions or dealt with before. We've looked at time, we've looked at this timestamp, we've looked at a string replace, and we know opening files, and we know pickle. So there we go. So like I was saying, please drop any comments, questions, video requests. If you need this more in depth, if you need the links to this, drop a comment down below. Don't forget to be joining the Discord, checking out the live streams, hitting down below the subscribe button, notification bell, and if you're liking these videos, joining the Patreon. I haven't added another chapter. I do need to start working back on that, but just got a lot of cool stuff going on. But there we go, guys, and we'll do challenge 6 tomorrow with the answer of, well, a solution, not the answer. That's what I love about this. There's hundreds of ways to do these things. Just get it to work and then come back and revisit it, make it better. But there we go, guys. Always, thank you for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.